Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning platform. Let's start with part 2 video of chapter 5, Food Are Basic Needs. In this part, we have to study about junk food and food preservation methods. First is junk food. The food which is unhealthy, which is very high in calories and very small amount of proteins, vitamins, minerals and fiber. This kind of food is not at all good for our health, like pizzas, burger, fatty food, cold drinks, candies, chocolates. We all love to have it, but they are not at all good for us. Now, what are the effects of having junk food? The result is obesity. We get fat, digestion problems, our digestive organs they don't work properly and the system gets weak, fatigue and weakness, we are restless, and it affects internal organs like our kidneys, liver and other vital organs. Junk food is not at all healthy. It obstructs the functioning of digestive system. Next is food preservation. Food preservation is a method in which different processes are used to preserve the food and to use it in future, stopping it from becoming stale, and we can use the food later on. So preventing the growth of germs in our food or preventing the spoilage of food comes under food preservation method. Different methods of food preservation are canning, salting, pickling, drying, freezing, boiling, etc. In canning process, the food material is sealed in a jar and heat is applied to that food in order to destroy the microorganism which can spoil the food. So canning technique stops spoilage by heating the food for a specific period of time and killing unwanted microorganisms. In case of salting, salt is applied to the product like meat or fish to draw out the moisture. So salt basically draws out the moisture and it lowers the growth of bacteria and the food is saved. Next is pickling. In pickling, the food is soaked in salt solution and when it is pickled for desired amount of time, it is transferred into a jar of vinegar and oil and then vacuum sealing is done. In case of freezing, the food material is stored in very low temperature like in fridge, and in drying method the water content or it is dehydrates and removes moisture from the food which stops the growth of bacteria, molds and yeast. With modern food dehydrators, lot of fruits are preserved using this method. Thank you.